Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, automatic headlights, child safety locks, daytime running lights, 4-wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes and keyless entry. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.